Hello guys, ito ay follow-up video ko doon sa akin upload 3 days ago, wherein I will try to be consistent in uploading videos once again. Siguro mga twice a month would be sufficient. And this video, I think maraming makaka-relate dito. Pero meron ako isang question, no? Meron bang billiard player na umamin na sila ay praktisado? Sounds familiar, no? Usually, pag pumapasok sa bilyaran o meron kayong mga kaibigan na tatanungin nyo kung mukhang praktisado, usually sinasabi, wala nga akong kalaro-laro familiar. So, sabi nga na isang batikang bilyarista, bihirang-bihira ang bilyarista o nagbibilyar na umamin na sila ay praktisado or insayado. Usually sinasabi walang laro, walang tumbok, and so on. So basically, that's pretty normal kasi pag bilyarista naman, whether friends kayo or tropa or just playing for fun, pag nanalo, usually sinasabi tsamba lang or any humble way of saying na sila ay nanalo. And that's very normal. Kaya lang, pag natalo tayo sa pustahan or friendly game, usually yung opponent natin, they don't really mind kung may practice ka o wala. Because they just mind their game, how they play, how beautifully they execute yung draw shot, yung follow through nila, and so on. Usually lahat naman ganun, that's normal. Now, the moral lesson is, if you're going to play, you better practice. That's why, yung topic ko ngayon is more on going back to practice, kasi hindi ko naman pwede sabihin na tagal ko hindi naglalaro. Although evidently, totoo naman kasi yung tisa ko makapal pa rin. Yung tip ko, hindi ako nagpapalit for 2 years, yung pa rin yung tip. But playmates or opponents, they don't really care if you're playing or not anymore. So better yet, to practice na lang if you have time. And I have not been playing, I don't know if it's called playing or practice, like isang taon, once a month, or once every 2 months, twice every 3 months ang laro. Actually, na yung practice, yun na din yung practice. But basically, doon sa mga video ko, I was giving advice na nadinig ko rin sa isang pro player, when you cannot really perfect the game. But when you practice, it gives you muscle memory and gives you familiarity sa ikot ng bola, takbo ng bola, and sa mga pektos. And when you practice, it gives you confidence. And your confidence, that will give you the W's or the wins. So going back practice, I would like to start with the draw shots dahil ito ang usually nemesis ng karamihan from beginners to intermediate players. Very minimal lang naman sa advanced. And especially pag wala yan sa repertoire mo, you don't usually make draw shots, ay minsan mahirap sumasablay or tumatakyo. So better mag-umpisa tayo sa practice sa draw shots. Let's get into the video. I got this video from Champ Taylor. So nakita ko siya na meron siyang challenge dito. Take the challenge of draw shots skills. So nag-start sa malapit, then medyo malapit, then may palayo ng palayo until doon sa pumasok yung bola doon sa butas while drawing shots. Later makikita nyo where did I start practicing the draw shots before I came into the situation na wherein I came into the situation na ganito yung draw shots. This is just within the day. And I know, makaka-relate, lalo na mga nagbabalik din sa bilyar. So you can start your practice by doing draw shots first. Okay guys, very quick and simple video, and I hope you are able to grasp the idea, and I hope meron po tayong natutunan o nakarelate kayo doon sa aking sitwasyon. And I think 2 or 3 weeks, medyo gaganda na po ang ating tumbok, hindi na nakakahiya sumablay sa mga simple shots. Especially itong nemesis ng lahat, yung draw shots. So hindi man malayuan ang ating draw shots, I think at least we can do a decent and clean draw shots. So until next time, maraming salamat. Please subscribe, like, and share, and please watch out for my next topic. Thank you.